Wherever you live, you should be proud of the city you call home. Hi, I'm Tony Brooks with the Wilkes-Barre Preservation Society. Welcome to our series of architectural and social history tours of Wilkes-Barre. So I'm on the board of the Hollenbach Cemetery Association, an organization created in 1855. Its full name is the Hollenbach Cemetery Association of Greater Wilkes-Barre and Vicinity, Incorporated. There's a board of directors of about 6 or 7 of us. Frank Cunningham is chairman of the board, and I've been on the board for about 10 years and doing tours for about 15 years. It's a fantastic cemetery to do tours. I do about 3 a year, and every once in a while I'll do what you call a theme tour. So for example, there are over 600 veterans of the Civil War buried in the cemetery, and I'll talk about the different Civil War notorieties that are buried here. Like, for example, this gentleman right here is a guy named Eugene Beaumont. And Eugene Beaumont actually got the Medal of Honor during the Civil War. I'll do other tours related to Revolutionary War veterans. There are 13 veterans from the Revolutionary War here, and they all have fascinating stories to tell as well. I do also tours about women, the arts, music, and I'm always looking for a new subject to do. There's 16,000 burials in this cemetery, so there's always new material that I'm coming up from time to time. So hopefully, when the COVID-19 is all over, I'll be back in person doing tours. But for now, look for a virtual online tour of Hollenbach Cemetery.